Hi there, this is Aiden from InPlay, and today I'm going to be showing off the wallet tracker, the Incard by my company InPlay. So this uses our IN612 Bluetooth chipset, which is special for its very low power costs and its efficiency when it comes to running that sort of Bluetooth stuff that's needed for trackers. So a device like this is very useful for you put it in your wallet. It can go in your pocket and keep track of your important stuff. You can slip it into a hidden pocket in your suitcase, in your backpack, something like that, and you'd be able to track your item wherever you are. And of course, it is compatible with both the Google Fast Pair network, which I will show you, and also the Apple Find My network, which I will be displaying here in this video. So just to run through how to connect this, you have this power button here. All you have to do is long press, and in a second, you see it light up and you'll hear a sound. And on my phone, oops, I got a notification asking to connect the Incard. So I'll go ahead and hit connect. I'll hit agree and continue for the user responsibility, and it will begin to pair the Incard to my Google phone here. So this is the Android tutorial I'm showing right now. I'll go ahead and click open app. And it is now loading up the app, which will allow me to show where it is. I'll just give it a second there. All right, excellent. Yeah, you can see it is now located the app at our headquarters here in Irvine. You can see I can move around Google Maps here and see where it is at any time. And then I will say play a sound. Yep, so you can sort of hear that. My headphones here might have some noise canceling, so it might not come through all the way. But you can hear a nice and loud beeper. So if you're looking for this device, if you're looking for that device, you can hear it nice and loud and, sort of hear it. If you're looking for your wallet, if you lose any of your items, it's very easy to track. Okay. And also, you have this option to share the device down there at the bottom. So if you have other people who also have a Google phone, right? So say your wife, your kids, a trusted friend of yours, roommate, you have something you both want to keep track of. You have one of these guys in here, pair it to your device, but then also share it to, your family's sort of Google network there, right? Unfortunately, it doesn't have sort of cross-network stuff, right? So if you have one paired to Google, it doesn't get shared over to somebody with Apple. But anyways, to move on, I will now be showing off the Apple stuff. So on the Google, you're going to go ahead and click that little gear icon on that sort of top section there. You click that, it gives you some information for the car. You can change the device name, the category, you can see my email attached there. And you can go ahead and click remove from Find My Device. It will ask you to double and triple confirm, and then it will show you this loading section. Boom, and it's gone. You can hear it disconnect. All right, now I'm going to switch over to my phone here, my Apple phone. I'm going to navigate over to the Find My app from Apple. Okay. And so now I'm in the Apple Find My app. You can see I already have something, another sort of prototype I was testing here that I have paired. Now I'm going to pair the wallet tracker. So again, it's a long press to activate. And we'll just give it a second. Make sure my Bluetooth is enabled. Oh, yes, I forgot. You're supposed to go to Items first. Under this section, click the plus, click Add Other Item, Add Other Item, and now we'll begin searching for an item. And there we go. So the Incard picked up immediately. Hit Connect. Enter a name for your item. I'll just call it the Incard. Click Continue. Choose an emoji to represent it. Here I will just give it a nice little cat emoji maybe. And hit Agree. And now we'll finish setup. All right, there we are. And just like before on the Google version, on the Apple Find My network, you can see the Apple Maps there, and it can detect your Incard as well as any of our other trackers, sort of same idea. And just like before, I can hit play sound. Yeah, and there you are. You can hear it go off. You can get directions where to go it. The locate feature is available in both networks here. And then you can sort of see information about your item, rename it and such, share it to other people sort of on your Apple network, right? And then for conclusion, remove item down at the bottom, just like before. So I'll go ahead and click remove, remove again, and you can hear it beep and blink as it is now removed, and now it is ready to pair with any other phone, any other device. Okay, so that is how you set up and use the InCard, right? Your convenient wallet tracker. This guy has a battery that can last over 18 months, so it'll be quite a while before you have to recharge. So it's a very efficient, sort of very power efficient, energy saving sort of capabilities with our chipset. So very convenient, very small form factor. You can see it's very thin here and fit right inside your wallet, inside of your pocket, and sort of any sort of bag device that you're trying to track. So if you have any more questions or you're interested, you could go over and head up to our website. We have a blog that we just released that sort of talks about, various trackers that we have, not just as cards, but also as small little round tags, sort of a little coin shape, all sorts of different variations of this. And you can head over to our website, check out our blog, and of course, email us if you have more questions. All right, thank you.